Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an absolutely great day. If you're curious about this look, I'm gonna have a tutorial up very soon, if not already, so subscribe so you don't miss it. But today is actually, we're gonna do a fun video. Well, all my videos are very fun. We're going to be doing a jewelry unboxing and haul video. I'm so excited. So this video is sponsored by Blackhead. Blackhead is a jewelry brand that was established in 2012 in Shanghai. They make some really amazing unisex, high quality, unique jewelry. Most of the pieces will be able to come in silver, gold, or black. The branding and design of everything that they have is so chic and so awesome and so just like new goth. And I'm super excited to see what I've got. Let's check out the box that it comes in. So the box is made out of black cardboard with these amazing embellishments of snakes and chains on the side. That is so cool. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh. How cute is that bag? Everything has such cute attention to detail. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, these nails. Although aesthetically pleasing, I am not. I can't do anything. Very well packaged to make sure that nothing gets tangled or damaged. I'm gonna take this off actually. Bye-bye. Okay, first we have the black sheep eye tassel necklace. How freaking gorgeous is that? Oh my god, it's so dainty, but I love that it comes with a black choker, which is like my favorite thing to wear. I really should have put on shorter nails for this. That is absolutely gorgeous. The choker material is like a nice suede or faux suede, and then how gorgeous and just delicate and dainty is that? I'm obsessed. Next piece. This one is called the Freedom Fighters Handcuff necklace. Oh, bitch. I love a silver chain, honey. Packaged so well to make sure that the pendant or the back pendant doesn't get scratched or damaged. Love that. Oh, this is absolutely fabulous. Do they work like real handcuffs? Oh my god, they work like real handcuffs! This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay. So you could probably, I guess you could put it on either way with the clasp in front or just use the little cuffs. Oh my goodness. Okay. So it has a decently long chain and an extender in the back, but I can see myself pairing this. I mean, I can see myself wearing this all the time. I absolutely love a chunky silver chain, especially pairing it with daintier, cuter things. This one is a ring set, and so it comes with 7 different rings. It's called the Fleur de Mal ring set. So it's a midi ring set, so they're meant to kind of like sit in front of your knuckle like that. So many tiny little bags. So cute. But honestly, I can't open them, so I'm just gonna have to slice-a-roo. Okay, wow. Better than I could have ever imagined. Usually midi rings don't work for me because my fingers are very small. You might want to double check the sizing on the website just to make sure that they're gonna fit you, but I'm obsessed and I feel like I need a set for the other hand. Last but certainly not least, oh my god, how freaking cute. So this is the Empty Town snake clip earring. I have a couple snake rings, so this little guy is going to fit in perfectly. Oh my god, my ears are so red. Go in, damn you. Alright guys, so there's my little snaky friend. I actually got him on, it wasn't even that hard, and he is secure and so cute. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this jewelry haul. I'm absolutely obsessed. I think my favorite thing are the rings. Let me know down in the comments which piece is your favorite. Thanks again to Blackhead for sending me these gorgeous pieces of jewelry and for sponsoring this video. If you guys want some high quality, unique jewelry, definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.